Welcome to callao.
Good morning. We are currently preparing to go to a cave. It's called Callao Cave. That's the itinerary for today. So everybody is just, preparing to go there. I haven't been able to vlog the rest of the places that we've been at a couple of days ago because it's kind of hard to vlog with your family around. But right now I'm currently at my aunt's place. So this is their house in the province. This is where they grew up and everything, with my mom and the rest of my family, with my cousins. So I'm just gonna show you where we're at. So this is where they are. Lots of dogs, lots of car, a hammock over there. They just got rice. They just harvested rice from the farm on the other side there. And this is me under the tree. So far, I am loving it. I really like the province life. I don't know if you can hear me with all the dogs barking, but that is what we're planning to do today, to go to Callao Cave, and then I'll bring you along with me. Let's go. Currently stopped in the middle of the road because we lost our brakes, and now we are getting the car fixed. Hopefully it gets fixed so we can go to the caves, otherwise we'll have to cancel. Sing the flower. Hello, Bobby. Say hi! Ika!
Sabihin mo yung B-O-N.
Ha?
B-O-N.
Born?
B-O-N-E.
Bone? Bakit born? Coco! Say hi! Hi, guys! While waiting for the car to be fixed, we are gonna grab some halo-halo on the side there. And grab some refreshment. For those of you who don't know, halo-halo is a Tagalog word for mixed. It's a popular cold dessert in the Philippines made up of crushed ice, evaporated milk, and various ingredients like beans, sago, flan, fruits, and so much more. It's one of my favorite Filipino comfort foods. We got halo-halo. We were so lucky that there was a rescuer at the exact location we got stranded at. He helped us fix the car, and so we went on our merry way. Thanks, Kuya. So we couldn't find a spot at the area where you can park by the caves, so we just found this little spot where we'll be having lunch, and then we'll just drive off again to the cave. This is where we're at right now. We found these cottages. In the end, we got kicked out of this place as we were warned that we're not allowed to stay here. So we had to find another place. And that place ended up to be at the back of the car. So we just finished eating lunch, and now we're gonna go to the cave and hike up. It's quite a few steps, so not everybody will come, or the elders will stay behind, but they will come with us once we go boating down the river, which we will do as well. Hopefully there's enough time to finish all, because it's already 3:24 p.m. and it's kind of late. Sunset is about 5:30ish here, so we'll see what happens today.
before we proceed, you can have your group picture din po dito. And I'll be the one to sa 184 steps na akitin natin.
Yeah.
And after Callao Cave, pwede nyo din i-try yung boating sa may Pinacanauan River po.
Anong name ng river?
Pinacanauan po.
Pinacanauan?
Yes po. Every 20 to 30 steps naman, may mga bench tayo para pwede kayo magpahinga po.
How many steps?
184
184. We are starting 184 steps. Going to the cave.
Yeah.
92 steps.
Guys, nakakapagod pala talaga sa callao. Kitang-kita nyo na. Na kami.
Ito ang mapapanood sa vlog. Kung sino nag-i-struggle.
Wait ang mga...
92 steps.
Yun.
You can see it. We are in the cave. It's really cold here, so thank God. This is how it looks like. This is the cave. Say hi.
Yung mga swallow, swiftlets, gano'n. Then sa live nila, ginagawang bird's nest. Then yung nest na yun, napaprocess sa nido soup.
Wala, big. Okay lang. This is... We are going inside the cave.
Nandito si Dugong.
Grabe yung pawis ko. Nagsha-shine dun sa camera. Yes. Church. Nice.
Welcome to Callao.
This was built in 1972. And people actually do get married here.
Gaya sabi ko, 5 to 6:30 sila lumalabas.
PM 4:30 pa lang.
Nananakit ba sila?
Po?
Nananakit?
Opo.
Yung mga bats pag
Nananakit.
naabutan? Totoo?
Gumanon sa'yo, tapos ginanong.
That's Merlion. Merlion in Singapore.
Which one?
Rock formation. That one.
Ah! Oh yeah!
This one.
A photo? Okay.
Hanggang dyan na lang yan.
Ay, hanggang dyan lang.
Don't go further.
Hindi pwede.
Bawal.
Since pandemic hanggang ngayon, wala pang nakakaroon.
Going down. We finished the caves. Now we're going down. We are gonna go boating next. This boat ride is worth 600 pesos for, I think, maximum of 8 people is what they told us. So we rented 2 boats because we're 12 in total, plus dogs. The boat is pretty much just taking us around this river beside the cave that we just went to. It's really beautiful. I've done this, I want to say 4 years ago, or 3 years ago. And I don't remember it being like this, but it's really beautiful.
Why after all this time you're still on my mind? 'Cause baby didn't forget you.
Look at that. You can see the dogs are there riding with us. There are shallow.
Cause after all this time, you're still on my
And those rocks.
mind. You, baby.
It's pretty.
I'll never forget.
We are stopping on the side and they're allowing us to get off the boats, which we weren't allowed to do 4 years ago. So I'm really surprised that we can do that. I'm excited. I guess we're just gonna take some photos, go around. This is where we're stopping and we're getting off the boat. Really pretty. Mika! Mika!
I put my feet up
The dog.
and we just sing along.
Or here.
Can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Right, that's it. We are now going back. We are now heading back to the caves for our boat ride.
Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite